There's a guy, and his name is Andy. He does something great that is so handy. He's on the radio 2 hours a week, shares with the world something unique. He speaks about God and prophecy, and speaks with integrity most honestly. He prepares us all with what's going on, predicted by God so we won't be conned. His most important message is about salvation, so people will hear in order to take action. He says faith in Christ will save you today, and God will save you if you only obey. And he warns people of what is to come, so they can make ready, so they won't be numb. God tells us things that are going to happen, and he shares these truths so we won't be saddened. So listen to these truths that Andy shares. Just turn on the radio and pull up a chair. He's on Thursdays on Faith FM 91.7 from 10 to 12, sharing the